and today we're going to talk a little bit about structural steel installation and how it's done. You'll notice that here they have an angle 6 by 4 by 3/8 inch LLV. What that means is this is the 4-inch part, this is the 6-inch part. LLV stands for long leg vertical. You know, it says install tight to the deck. So this is a very heavy beam. I'm going to show you what it looks like as it's being installed. It's being installed up there. Don't look at the light, it'll blind you. Okay, and this is what it looks like in real life. Long leg verticals, 6 by 4. They're heavy as a mother. Okay, they're long. They go between joist here to here. They go between joist to joist, and what they do is they provide down support for 2,000-pound HVACs, RTUs that go on top of the deck.